Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill Level, where we focus on rum and cocktails. And this is what I call El Presidente de Navidad. In order to make this drink, we're going to start with Christmas syrup. And this Christmas syrup is an original recipe. The recipe is here on the channel if you want to check it out. And if you want to make this cocktail, you better check it out. I'm going to start with 1 teaspoon of the Christmas syrup, and it's going to be a heaping teaspoon. Note how thick that is. Whoa, it's got a lot more than I expected. I'm going to put the teaspoon right in the glass so that the rest of the liquids can help dissolve that out. Then 1 ounce of bianco vermouth. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. And 2 ounces of your white rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Add your ice. Well, take your teaspoon out. Add your ice. And give it a stir. Grab your martini glass and double strain your drink into the glass. Now the garnish. To make it festive, I'm going to use cranberries because the Christmas syrup is based on cranberries. See if I can skewer myself as well as the cranberries. Set that on your glass and a sprig of mint. Activate it. Tuck it back there. Is that festive enough? I think so. And there you have it. El Presidente de Navidad. Drink with good spirits.